Hey guys, so today I decided to do something a little bit different. I'm sitting at my kitchen table and we're going to be doing a Japanese DIY kit, and this is the crazy Neru Neru 30th anniversary edition of the Neru Neru DIY kit, and it's got two flavors. So we got a melon flavor to make and a strawberry flavor. And these are a lot of fun to make, so hopefully you guys enjoy this. And yeah, let's get started.
So first, obviously, open up the package, take everything out that's inside, and the directions on the back are all in Japanese, and I don't know how to read Japanese, but the pictures are clear enough that you can understand it. So inside we've got a packet with a number 1 and it's purple, we have a packet with a number 1 and it's orange, and we have a blue packet with some sprinkles inside. We have a packet with a number 2 and it's red. Some more sprinkles. And a blue packet with a number 2. And we also have 2 spoons because we're making 2 different candies. And we also have a tray with 2 separate compartments for the 2 flavor candies. So the first step is to take the little floppy piece on the tray and you're going to rip that off, and that is our measuring cup for the water. So first I'm taking the purple packet with the number 1 and just pour it into one of the compartments, and then just add the water. And then add your blue packet with a number 2, and then you're going to add that to the same compartment, and you're going to take a spoon and mix it all together. So now I'm taking the orange packet with the number 1 and I'm pouring that into the other compartment, then adding the water, and then adding the packet that is red with the number 2. And then just mix that all together. So now finally we just have to add the sprinkles. So the blue packet goes into the green candy, and then the clear packet goes into the pink candy, and then I just like to mix it up, but you can leave it unmixed if you want. And you're done, and now you can just enjoy your delicious candy, and there's 2 spoons so you can share, or if you're like me, you could just eat the whole thing yourself.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below what you think I should bake next, because usually I bake stuff, but if you want to see more DIY kits, definitely let me know in the comments or give this video a like to let me know. And yeah, I'll do some more DIY kits. And my social medias are in the description, so go follow me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!